Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Ideanomics. I've talked about them in the past couple times, and time for an update. I haven't talked about them for quite a while. Kind of put them to the back burner just because I knew the stock price wasn't doing anything, but I'm still holding it, as you can see. So this is Ideanomics, ticker IDEX. Here's a look at what they've done over the last year. Had this nice run up. If we could get that again, I would be happy. Back in February, and since then it's just came down. And I've just been watching it and waiting for it to see where it's going to hit the bottom. Might pick up some more shares, though I haven't quite decided yet. So down over the past 3 months, over, we'll just call it 37%, down over 20% in the last month, and the last week it's down 3.34%. Here's a look at today, down over 2%, so not doing too good. So I have 26 shares here at a lovely cost basis of 309, so you can see I'm in the hole 62%. If you don't know much about this one, it's in the electric vehicles, developing next generation financial services and fintech product. So kind of a lot of the things that I talk about here is EVs, some financial services here and there, and I've talked about fintech a couple times. This one, when I first got into it, the reason that I liked it, saw a good catalyst, was the electric tractors. I've talked about them numerous times. I'll link all that in the description, that way you can see more about this company. They've been around since 2004. Kind of small volume, it's kind of weird, 1.04 million, and the average is 10.08, so with almost $600 million market cap, 52-week low of $1.11 and high of $5.53. Here's a look at the earnings. Next one is expected on March 28th. And here you can see I haven't even thought about this one for a while, or even tried to buy it. I'm kind of glad that didn't fill the way it is now, but looks like it was going up. This one's been kind of a yo-yo from time to time, but over here on Bing, currently showing it as a buy, and the levels that it's getting down to, I'm considering it why Ideanomics stock popped today, and this is dated on the 3rd. The shares soared today after the company announced one of its subsidiaries, Wave, anticipates it'll have a reduction in electric vehicle charging costs thanks to recent manufacturing and engineering investments. The tech stock was up 15% for the day. So Wave is a developing wireless charging solution for medium and heavy duty vehicles. Some of its technology includes a hands-free charging system that is embedded in roadways and charges vehicles during scheduled stops. So very interesting, cool technology. The company said the press release that the focus on manufacturing and engineering improvements had yielded reduced costs that it will be able to pass along to some of its customers. For years, the Wave system have enabled our customers to match diesel vehicles' range and duty cycle, passing on newfound cost reductions, and customers with a class-leading warranty immediately provides fleet operators new electrification solutions, Wave's chief technology officer said in the release. So, in addition to the cost reductions, Wave also announced a new charging as a service offering that includes a charging hardware and infrastructure maintenance and a 3-year warranty for the charging technology. Customers will be able to sign the offering for a monthly fee. Ideanomics stock has tumbled 30% over the past 12 months, and today's huge share price spike from that just one press release shows just how volatile the stock continues to be. And I already kind of went over the volatility of it. So Ideanomics invests in Innobat to collaborate on EV battery offerings, and this is dated on Tuesday the 4th. So they are a European-based premium battery technology and manufacturing company. Financial terms were not disclosed. The investment will support the completion of Innobat's R&D center and pilot battery plant located in Slovakia by the end of 2022. Innobat is actively pursuing plans to build several gigafactories on additional sites across Europe and other global locations throughout 2024. Andy Palmer has joined the Innobat to drive the development of the European-based R&D and battery production center. IDEX shares are trading higher by 2.90 at $1.43 during the pre-market session on Tuesday. And we'll see what the stock does throughout the rest of the day and rest of the week here. So this kind of goes over the partnership on the wireless EV charging a little bit more. Expanded the Sourcewell partnership to lower the upfront costs of the wireless EV charging. Sourcewell is a self-sustaining government organization offering cooperative purchasing with more than 400 competitively solicited contracts to government, education, and nonprofit entities throughout the North America. Wave's hands-free charging system extends the EV range quickly and automatically delivers high-power charge to large vehicles' need. In addition to the reduced pricing, Wave's new charging as a service offering is a package including hardware, maintenance, and operational services. So I might see a lot more of this type of thing. It might already be a service that first one that pops into mind is Tesla. They might be doing, charging as a fee. I'm sure they'll all be doing charging as a fee, but just another way to get some revenue and keep monthly, daily revenue going and keep the stock price going up. So members to go completely battery electric with minimal impact on the business and operational expenditures. IDEX shares are trading higher by 9.58% at $1.32 on the last check, and that was a couple days ago. Moving on here, this is dated on the 4th, invest in premium battery technology and manufacturing company. So it looks like they have a lot going on. It's just the stock price has not reflected that whatsoever. So like I said, I haven't looked at this one for a while. Some of this we already went over, so feel free to pause and go over that there for yourself. And again, you can find this on menafn.com. Here goes over a little bit more about Ideanomics. Like I said, I've made several videos on this one. I'll go ahead and link those in the comments in the description, and you can look over those, see if there's anything over here on Reddit. Over here on StockTwits, currently at $1.20, low of $1.11, high of $5.53. Added the last dip. So some people are long on this. I just haven't heard anybody talking about this one, and like I said, I haven't watched this one for quite a while. So far I've heard September is great for small cap tech stocks. Then it was October, November, then it was December, and then the Christmas push, then January. Give it up, people, we can't predict the market. That is true. All bleeding comes to an end. A lot of the stocks that I've been talking about here lately, they're all getting close to the bottoms, hitting daily bottoms. And if you're in MJ stocks, I just did one on Hexo. I do ones on Sundial quite a bit. So over here on MSN Money, currently showing it as a buy. So not too bad, but you can see just that huge drop off. So we'll see what it ends up at the end of the day here. And over here on the tip ranks, nothing. Thank you, Tip Ranks. And back to Robinhood. So it looks like it's maybe going to run back up. We'll wait and see. Good dip by there and up 4 cents. So we'll hope for the best on this one. But if you have any other information on this one that we can share and compare and make money off of this one and try to get our money back or see what we can do to get this one projecting forward, get a tailwind behind it, and go from there on this one. So probably be doing another video on this one and later times, I'm sure. I just hadn't looked at this one for a while, so. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.